गोवा सरकारनं करोना व्हायरस साथीच्या आजारावर नियंत्रण ठेवण्यासाठी आत्तापर्यंत केलेल्या सर्व उपायांचे स्पष्टीकरण करणारे प्रतिज्ञापत्र न्यायालयात सादर केले। गोवा सरकारनं स्थापन केलेल्या व्यवस्था व वैद्यकीय सुविधांवर न्यायालयानं समाधान व्यक्त करत उच्च न्यायालयानं संबंधित जनहित याचिका निकाली काढली।
Accepted the statements made by the government of Goa, and all preparedness that has been done by the government of Goa has been found to be satisfactory by the High Court, and High Court has disposed of the petition accepting all the statements made by the government of Goa. So therefore there is no requirement or no necessity to be panicked about anything. High Court was completely satisfied with the efforts which are made by the government of Goa on all fronts, insofar as quarantine is concerned, then insofar as isolation is concerned, insofar as preparedness in the hospitals are concerned. On the basis of the reply that was filed by the government of Goa, the court has accepted all the statements made in the reply filed by the government of Goa, and on this basis the petition has been disposed of.
Sir, can you give some brief about the preparedness what government?
We have actually in our reply set out what is the protocol that is maintained insofar as treatment of the patients are concerned. We have also pointed out which hospitals are made available in North Goa as also in the South Goa. We have also pointed out how many isolation centers are made ready. We have also pointed out what type of medicines and what medical facilities are being provided to the patients. Thereafter, we have also pointed out as to what are the precautions which are being taken insofar as medical staff is concerned, their safety is concerned. Everything is pointed out in the affidavit.
There was one more petition about the law and order, about the brutality of the.
Insofar as that petition is concerned, the High Court has not accepted that petition, and the petitioner had to withdraw that petition. High Court did not accept the plea that there was any brutality or anything on the part of the police force.
The court has also said that he should look into what good work that law and order.
Yes, the High Court pointed out to the petitioner that insofar as police force is concerned, first of all, the good amount of work which they are doing on the side, that has to be also appreciated, and thereafter there is no complaint that is coming up from any individual insofar as any grievance is concerned. In the absence of any such complaint, the High Court cannot entertain the petition, and therefore the petitioner had to withdraw the petition.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.